Finally, it's time for me to review the AeroMobil, a company based in Slovakia that gained significant attention after reputable online publishers released articles about its flying car concept, which is virtually ready for sale. AeroMobil has two prospective models to offer its future customers, a two-seater and a four-seater flying car. While we often mean eVTOLs when talking about flying cars, AeroMobil's project is an actual flying car. First of all, this is a vehicle you can drive on asphalt roads. But once it approaches anything that looks like a runway, you can press a button to transform it into a small private plane. Wings emerge from its body, and it becomes aircraft. The AeroMobil requires a runway and will most likely need to land at small airports primarily used for private aviation. One of the most interesting features of the AeroMobil is its internal combustion engine. The turbo engine, along with electric motors, generates 300 horsepower. The transmission can function as an automotive automatic transmission on the road and convert to a direct drive transmission in flight. On the road, the engine drives the wheels, but once airborne, it powers the propulsion system, which is a powerful propeller mounted at the rear of the vehicle. The flying range is claimed to be about 460 miles or 740 kilometers. Thanks to its large wings and excellent aerodynamics, this flying car can use a fraction of the fuel that a conventional airplane would use for the same distance. The flying top speed is 160 miles per hour or 260 kilometers per hour. You will need only 400 meters of runway to take off and 300 meters to land. Among the safety features, there is a ballistic recovery parachute that can safely land the entire vehicle if something goes wrong with the engine during flight. The company is also working on autopilot technology to enhance flight safety. The carbon fiber body is strong, and the occupant cell structure adds to road safety. It takes about 3 minutes for the vehicle to completely transform from drive mode to flight mode and back. The company is exploring ways to use advanced flight avionics both in the air and on the ground. Some people claim that the project is yet another stock scam to secure funding and disappear. However, there are actual flight test videos proving that prototypes exist and work. You can imagine the costs involved in creating such prototypes. Additionally, the company is partnering with the Slovak government and European Union official funds, giving hope that we'll eventually see these vehicles in the skies. By the way, there is no official price at the moment. However, various experts on the internet predict that the base price for the AeroMobil flying car will start between $1.2 and $1.8 million per vehicle. Also, the company is now struggling to survive, and rumors are it's about to close down due to lack of financing. Total investment in the engineering of the flying vehicle is about 25 million euros, but the company needs way more to push the product to its final stage of development and start selling it. We hope that the company will be able to overcome the difficulties and will deliver its first flying car in a matter of years. But things look pretty uncertain for the brave Slovak brand.